What's going on? I'm gonna open some cards. We're gonna open these cards. I got some Evolving Skies and what is this? A lightning set from Walgreens, and these Galarian Articuno tins and the Galarian Moltres tin. I hope you love that intro. I'm gonna crack this open. I'm gonna get this Evolving Skies out of the way because it's Evolving Skies. And there's almost nothing favorable in Evolving Skies packs. Watch this be the one time I pull something great out of it. There's the promo card that was in that lightning set. I think I'm gonna start off with the Scarlet and Violet base. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're watching, comment with, I don't know, a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Just comment something. Oh, it is Scarlet Violet at this point. All right, let's start off with Energy, Crocorock, Mankey, Squawkabilly, Caps Kid, EXP Share, Toadscrew, Cyclozar, Armarouge. Oh, first pack hit. Special Illustration, Fido. Oh, and a Professor's Research behind it. Nice. Double banger in the first pack. Very happy I picked those up. Ooh. Not bad. 2 hits out the first pack. We're going to move on to this Brilliant Stars. Hopefully something's cool in here. I might have just used up all the luck and whatever in that first pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Energy, Morgan, Pachirisu, Blunder Policy, Axew, Impidimp, Magmar, Riolu, Burmy, Reverse, how do you say that? Minchino, and a Hollow Torterra. So nothing cool out of there. I'm gonna open this Evolving Skies, Evolving Prize as it's been coined because nobody ever seems to get anything of value out of it. 2, 3, 4. But let's hope. Let's hope for something good. Crystal Cave, Toy Catcher, Ryan, Drowsy, Flabébé, Ryan Rolla, Psyduck, Swablu, Reverse C-Dot, and a Hollow Regimakiji. Pack 2, or Pack 4, and Pack 2 of Evolving Skies. Cool card there. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, making these videos and sitting here talking to myself is very difficult because it's like, what do I talk about? All these conversations I have are in my head. Nothing out of there either. So that first pack, we got 2 hits. I've opened the Galarian Moltres before, so I'm gonna open it again. Oh, there's my knife. And of course, remind myself to speed through my janky opening. Gorgeous full art Galarian Moltres. Oh yeah, and there's a code card back there too. Got to see what the Moltres just because it's pretty. And there are 5 packs in this tin, right? Oh, I thought it was 5. It's only 4. Okay. Code card there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still looking for that gold Giratina. Soul Rock, Trekking Shoes, Metang, Poniard, Tangela, Baltoy, Galarian Meow, Wilmer. Oh, It's a gold card, but it's not the one I was looking for. Gold Origin Form Dialga V-Star. Really good hits to start off. Great video. I believe that Dialga is going for $35 to $40. Not bad at all. Four. Execute. Energy Retrieval. Demoga. Love Disc. Chatot. Reverse. Bidoof. And Scizor. In the back. Holding us back. Pack 3. Again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Helps me get into the algorithms. You know, I'd like to at least get to 100 subscribers at some point. To the 15 people that are watching me. Maybe you'll share it to somebody. Philiopile, Wooloo, Jinx, Phantom, Snorunt, Radiant, is it Eternatus? Is that how you say that? Either way. There's a shiny. Last one from the Galarian Moltres 10. 3, 4. The back. Let's see if we can get some nice pack magic. Energy Switch, Trekking Shoes, Lunatone, Starly, Scyther, Pokeball, Young Goose, Cherubi. It's just the unnumbered foil. Oh, I'm losing all my cards. Oh, and a green in the back, I guess. Ooh, nose itchy. Put that there. And we're gonna move on to this Galarian Articuno. Very beautiful art, and code card behind it. Sleeve that up because it is nice. It's nice. It's very nice. All right, last 4 packs. Crown Zenith. I would say buy some Crown Zenith as things start to rotate out. I feel like, I don't know, see people saying like, oh, is it gonna age the best? I feel like it's gonna age really good just because the amount of hits you can get out of here. And maybe that's a reason they say it's not gonna age well, but I don't really care. Open what you wanna open and buy what you wanna buy. Reverse Ditto. Oh, wait, Lord. Nothing out that first pack. Move to the second. Let's hope this whole 10 is not as bad. That would suck. Gosh, that would suck. 1, 2, 3, 4. I do have some temporal forces coming in for whenever it is launched. I got a pre-order from Full Art Dust Call. I can't remember exactly the website I got it from. I know I found it by watching I think it's Pokemon Doctor. And he had some good sales he found. But yeah, that's gonna be something that I'll be opening on the channel soon. I think I got a booster box in the 2 ETBs. So I'll probably just do a ETB battle and then the booster box as a separate video. See something. Oh, Radiant Charizard. Okay. So out of this 10, 2 hits so far. Not bad at all. Let's see. Last pack magic. What will it be? Just give me the Giratina. You know you want to get rid of Giratina. You're waiting to get rid of Giratina. Like, oh, this guy, he wants the Giratina. I guess we'll let him have it. It'll complete the set I've got. I've got more than enough Dialgas, a couple Palkias, a couple Arceus. Would love, and that's not gonna be there, but it's alright. It's alright, I guess. What can you do? Not bad though. What's that? Radiant Charizard, Full Art Duskull, the promo Articuno, a Greedent V, the unnumbered Fighting Energy, shiny Eternatus. I mean, come on. Come on. You can't beat that. That was in the first pack, right? You can't beat it. And also another one of the first packs. Like, so not bad. Not bad. Third time. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm watching you. Peace.